Yo, it's Memorial Day weekend and we're gonna do some cool stuff. I think that'll get us through a night, right?
Yeah, at least one.
Savings on 54.
So why are we doing this, Ricky?
Looking it up for the roof fridges.
Yeah, it's getting hot outside. It's that time of year. People think you only have to donate food, but turns out people like water. Bye, cart. First stop, Union Hill Fridge. Let's get it. Stop 2, Portland Street.
Oh.
All right, 2 down, 2 to go. Stop 3 is Main Street. We got Dick Chuck at the helm so I can film.